Let's do an example of a word problem where we would need to use live signs. It says a pole tilts toward the sun at an 8-degree angle from the vertical. So I'm going to make the sun up here. And instead of the pole being straight vertical, it's going to be tilted 8 degrees from vertical. So if this is the ground, instead of 90 degrees, it's going to be 98 degrees to go to the pole. And it casts a 22-foot shadow. So as the sun comes down, the shadow on the ground is going to be 22 feet. The angle of elevation from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole, so when I go from the tip of the shadow to the top of the pole, it's 43 degrees. How tall is the pole? So I'm trying to find this right here. So what I need is to find one place where I know the angle and the side opposite of it. So since this is the only side that I have, I really need to know this angle. And I can find that by doing 180 and subtract 98 and 43. And when I do that, I find that this angle is 39 degrees. So now I know I can use law of sines because I have an angle and I have the side opposite that angle. So I'm going to say 22 divided by sine 39 equals x over sine 43. So then in my calculator, I'm going to do 22 times sine 43. And divide by sine 39. And I get 23.84 feet. Let's see if that makes sense. This is 22 across from 39, so it makes sense that this will be a little bit bigger if it's across from 43. When you're doing the ACT, you may be able to get a really good guesstimate by looking at the answers and just using the hinge theorem, which shows you that the shortest side is across from the shortest angle.